Happy Low Friday, people. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm super excited. I just got a package in from Invisi-Vin. Guys, stay tuned. This product is amazing. Let's go. Make sure. All right. Looks like we got a card, business card. Uh-oh. Yeah, buddy. Sticker. You know, I love my stickers. Some paperwork. Oh, with a personal message. Thanks, Junior. Tag us and ride safe. Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Appreciate it. So here we go. Invisi-Vin. Cover that ugly VIN sticker magnetically. Steel powder coated cover. Strongest N52 magnets. Removable for inspection. The perfect final touch for any motorcycle contact for customer covers. How exciting, man. So the sticker on the right side of the bike is obviously a lot longer, so this should cover the VIN. And then also too, on the other side, I think it's just a sticker. Another sticker, but I don't think the VIN number is actually on there. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Feel it. Ooh, look at that. Wow. This can be nice. Bulky. Just feels amazing. This is pretty cool, man. If you ever run into trouble, you can take this off. You can take this cover off and whack somebody upside the head. So part VIN cover, part weapon. So now obviously they have different covers for different style bikes. So obviously this one's for 2018 and up Softails. And you get two separate down tube stickers. So you got this bulky long one for the right side, and then there's a sticker on the left side of the bike as well that you can cover. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright. So you got a sticker right here, so it's on the right side of the bike, and then I believe the left side, yeah, it's just a bunch of writing, emission stuff. So just take off these clips and slap that magnet on there, and then clip it back on. So should be easy peasy. Let's get it. Alright, 1 minute. Put this part down. Alright, slap this bad boy on. Look at that. Pretty neat. We'll slap this bad boy on there. Alright, we're all set. Pretty neat. Let this down. Alright, slide this bad boy on. Woo! Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. It's on there good too, like it's not even a... Dude, nice. Wow. Great product, man. You know me. The more black on the bike, the better. So I'm glad that's covered up. The coolest thing about this, guys, requires no tools. Just gonna slap this bad boy on there. Whew! That went on there nice and neat. Can't even see anything. Covers a big portion of it up. And that is not going anywhere, people. Pretty cool. Nice little before and after. like I say, the more black on the bike, the better. There you can see right there, slap that one on there too. So super easy to install, and it looks so much better. I don't know, in some states, you know, for inspection they'll have to see it, but it's not like you have to unscrew anything or anything like that. You just gotta yank it right off and show what you need to show and slap it back on and keep it moving. So I'm super stoked. You know, most people probably think it's not necessary, but for the price of that product, it's super slick. Love the powder coat action, super strong magnet, steel, so can't go wrong with steel. So I'm super stoked. Just doing a walk around. Yeah, I love it. Great product. Stoked. Right on, guys, that's it. Nice and easy, man, super stoked. Shout out to Johnny and his team, Invisi-Vin out of California. Hit them up, Invisivin.com. I'm gonna put all his information in the description below. Also, a huge shout out to my boy Justin Miller out in Canby, Oregon. Justin, I appreciate you, man. Thanks for staying on top of it. Thanks for the connect. The product came super quick. I think it was only like 2 days for it to get here. So super stoked about that. Super easy install, great product. Go out and get yours, man. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Boom with your elbow so you get notifications every time a new video drops. And if you don't like the video, go ahead and hit the dislike button 2 times for your boy. All right, you guys have a great weekend and see you guys soon. Stay safe, stay blessed, and spread the love. Boom.